Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to quickly find your most recently added bookmarks in Google Chrome? Chrome lets you sort your bookmarks by newest, making it easier to find bookmarks you've recently saved. In this tutorial, I will show you how to sort bookmarks by newest in Google Chrome on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome. Next, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner, then tap Bookmarks. The Bookmarks page will open. Next, tap the View Options icon. A menu with several options will appear. Then tap Sort by Newest. Your bookmarks will now be sorted with the newest bookmarks shown first. This makes it easier to find the websites you've recently saved.